Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. Grip the bar evenly with hands just outside of legs. Bend at hips and knees, lowering body to grip bar. Keep back straight and core tight. Take a deep breath, engage core muscles, and lift the bar by pushing through heels and standing up straight. Keep the bar close to legs and maintain neutral head and back position. Exhale as you reach the top. Hinge at hips and slowly lower the bar back to the ground. Keep back straight and core engaged. Do not drop the weight. Once the bar touches the ground, reset for the next rep. Start with light weights and focus on form. Gradually increase weight as form improves. Warm up with dynamic movements and stretches. Avoid rounding shoulders or back. Seek guidance from a trainer or coach if necessary.